afternoon from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia septimo. Hi guys, today I'm gonna cook coconut rice with sibas, so Thailand broth. And my ingredient is here, so I'm gonna show you my ingredient. Okay people, this is my ingredients. So meron tayong rice, coriander, chili flakes, fish sauce at lime leaves. Meron tayong lime, the fresh, at nor, at meron tayong garlic, ginger, onion, coconut, and fish, sibas, at spinach. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo on how to make this coconut rice with sibas Thailand broth. Thank you. Okay guys, this is the coconut. Wow. Ayan. Lutuin muna natin. Just mix the coconut. Okay. Make coconut to boil. We're gonna cook first the rice, okay, the coconut rice, and then after that the fish, the sibas. So we're gonna cook first the coconut. Okay people, this is already is boiling, so I'm gonna put the garlic. That garlic, hello in, mix it, and then ginger. That's it. Look at that. Smell good. Smell delicious. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put the salt as salt. Okay. Okay guys, look at that. The rice is nearly done. See, it smells good. Okay guys, lagyan natin ito ng konting oil, okay? With oil. People, look at that. Oil, I put a little bit oil, the pan, and then I put the onion. Look at that. Lutuin muna natin itong sibuyas. Cook a little bit the onion. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Yep. Look at that. See? Then that's it. And I'm gonna put the spinach. Lutuin lang natin siya. Just mix together. Amazing. Look at that. Okay guys. Lagay natin yung pesto. Lime leaf. And chili flakes. Coriander. And the nor. Okay. And hot water. Very nice and juicy. Smell good. Isn't it? Look at that. Wow, smell delicious. The coriander and the lime the flavor is fantastic. Look at that, people. And the rice is here, look. Amazing. Amazing, guys. And this, I'm gonna put this in the bowl, okay? The clean bowl. That's it. Look at that. This lemon I'm gonna cut into 4 like a wedges, okay? Look at that. Okay guys. And put it aside. I have sibas. I'm gonna fry this. Marinated this one with the herbs and a little bit salt and pepper. Okay guys, look at this. The pan is really hot, so I need to put the fish. Okay guys, the pan is have oil, so I need to put the fish. Nice and crispy, okay? Okay guys, look at that. Amazing. Oh wow, look at my rice coconut. Okay guys, my rice is here, rice coconut, and this one is peanut. Look at this, huh? Amazing. Look at that. Wow. And this rice, I'm gonna put in here. Wow. And the fish, I'm gonna get it. Oh, sorry, wait a minute. Fish, I'm gonna. Was amazing. Okay guys, look at that. Hang on. A bit dirty. Wow. Fantastic, isn't it? Like amazing. And lagyan natin siya ng on top is sparkling chili. Okay. And the lemon is here. Okay. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing food. Look at that, people. Coconut rice and Thai broth. Oh, amazing. Look at people. Gorgeous. Hi, people. My recipe is already done, and hopefully you like my recipe today. It's really amazing. Coconut rice with Thai broth. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Thank you for you watching, and let's eat and try. Okay. Okay, guys. Try natin yung coconut and fish. The spinach is lovely and amazing. Look at this. Wait a minute. Carlos Diaz, Elsa Bensi, Virginia Luli, Binya Kumel. Mwah! Okay. And to all my friend in Brazil, Luis Kakang, Marcos Cesar, Paola Vera, Sheila Santana, Didi Santini, and Nikki Binya Kumel. Mwah! Hopefully guys you like my recipe today and enjoying, and thank you for you watching. God bless and see you on next video. This is for you. Love you all. God bless you. Thank you guys. Wait, I'm gonna eat first. Try this. I see. My God. The rice coconut amazing. Quite spicy. The spinach really good. And the fish amazing. Amazing. Thank you. In the kitchen we are fire. Mwah. Bye now. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food.